Hi everyone, today I want to share with you a beautiful moment I witnessed in real life. A herd of buffalo was returning from the river Sandbar after grazing all day. Can you see on a screen? They look so calm and peaceful, isn't it? You know what? I was amazed to see how they knew their way back home as the sun was setting. And I just remember, as an English learner, I love talking about real things I experienced. It helps me improve my speaking and also share culture with the world. Have you ever seen such a large herd of animals with your own eyes in real life? To be honest, I have never witnessed such a big herd of animals in my real life. I only seen them on television, on National Geographic Channel or Discovery. This is the first time I saw them.